We are on a wonderful knowledge sharing session. I am Dr. Maharajan. This time this series is on the emerging concept of data visualization. So we will explore all these concepts. What is data visualization? What is the importance of data visualization? All things. Before that, let us recollect what we have studied so far. So we know some fundamental concepts. You can go through the previous video on this series to know it. So overview of data visualization fundamentals, the core concepts, and the importance of data quality and context, data cleaning, and checking for data completeness and correctness, and the story of data-driven decision making, and visualizations basics. And can you guess the topic today? What connects these dots? Colorful charts and graphs, interactive dashboards, maps with overlays. What connects all this? So if you guess it right, it is about the data visualization. So again, visual representative of data is data visualization. So why do we do this? Because it's easy for the human mind to grasp the pictures rather than the numbers. So we transform complex numbers into easily comprehensible human form, and it identifies patterns and trends, hidden patterns, unexpected patterns also we are able to identify, and effective communications in the way of storytelling and others. Now, why this data visualization is important? So that's very, very important. Why it is important? When we see this, why it is important? It enhances comprehension, and more importantly, it bridges the communication gaps. There's always a communication gap between the analysts and the business people. So that can be bridged by way of visualizing data and storytelling. So it facilitates decision making, enables faster, more informed decisions, and choices in business context. It drives real world impacts from market analytics to HR analytics and visualizations and even finance analytics. So I hope you are clear about the importance of data visualizations. It makes effectively it makes our work easier actually. Now to proceed forward, we will see why this all is. There's some real life cases, how these all things have come up, and why these things actually change, how these things changed our life actually. Fine. Now we will take a case study by John Snows. It all started in the year 1854. The cholera breakout in London. To identify the source of cholera outbreak, the infection areas and others in London by spatially visualizing disease cases in form of a map, analysis on a map data which is represented as a map. It provided vital links to contaminated water, so thereby the cholera outbreak was controlled. So it is data visualization is able to give us such insights. It's actually a boon for the humanity. Then we can say AI goes the inconvenient truth, animated which will explain complex climate change data and others. And table dashboards, it is real-time dashboards which gives us current data about our business and others. So what is common type of data visualizations? Line charts, bar charts, pie charts, and heat maps and scatter plots. We will study about all these things in later units. Now, test your planning. Quick quiz. Which chart type is best for showing trends over time? So you can guess the answers. Why choosing the right visualization important? One real life example if you can say. And then the power of visualizing data. We can have a summary